And you have done that during many years. And when I applied that for the back pain, sometimes I asked to the no, every time I asked to the patient what happened, what is the result. And sometimes I said, not too much for the back pain, but now, you know what? I have no pain for my menstruation. Okay, why not? Another one said, okay, now I don't snore when I sleep. Okay, no big problem for my lumbar spine, but now I have no problem with the bladder infection. No problem with that, but now a lot of relationship, not at all that I think. At this time I say, oh, you are stupid. Because before, like all the trainers, you think in the body, you have only muscle, ligament, joint, and bone. And I forgot totally the most important is the relationship with the spine and the visceral things. And at this time you do a second way of thinking to know what is the relationship between the visceral thing, how is possible to correct a problem with the liver, with the spleen, according with the relationship that you have with each level of the vertebra, because all the spine, this morning I treat a woman, she has a problem with the C-spine, and the pericardium is attached between C6 and C71. What is the relationship with the C-spine and the pericardium? Yesterday, I can speak about Tommy. Tommy Abo, he has a car accident 5 years ago, 5, 6 years ago, I don't remember. And because he has a big whiplash, now, yesterday, not 10 years ago, he brings the EKG, and he has a big AFib. AFib, a big AFib. He wants to do what is possible to do, surgery or not, because the cardiologist want to do a lot of surgery for that. I said now, perhaps it's a little late, but we try to avoid that with the LDOA before I need to correct, that I have done. I have corrected the C6, C71, and now you need to do with Scott the LDOA for this area to let a lot of space for the pericardium, and we avoid surgery. That means the LDOA is not only for the back pain. In the level 1, we'll speak only about that, but after you need to know you have a lot of other relationship with the LDOA. I have worked a lot about that, and we organize some tests and some application for the LDOA in relationship with all the pathologies that you have with some visceral things. The heart, the lungs, the kidneys, all in relationship with some part of the vertebra. And after, in osteopathy, because Scott speaks about Sutherland, he organized the relationship between the skull and the skin that you have beyond under the skull. The name is a dura mater. The dura mater is the skin began here and finish on the tailbone. Okay, and what is the relationship between that and the body? But the movement of the dura mater was organized by the biomechanics of the bone. On the skull, sorry. On the skull, you have more than 100 joints. 100 joints. That means you have a lot of movement, micro movement. How is possible to increase micro movement? Because when you do an LDOA between all these joints, you have an effect, all the dura mater, the most deeper fascia that you have in your body. The CSF, you know what is the CSF? Cerebrospinal fluid. That is a nutrition of your nervous system. You have no movement in the CSF, you die. Perhaps it's interesting to increase or decrease if it's too fast, to normalize the rhythm of the CSF. How is it possible to do that? With a treatment, yes. How to maintain that? Only with the exercise. My philosophy all the time in medicine, in osteopathy for all, is that he said at the end, you are the own best therapist. It's true. When I treat a patient, I said all the time now, if you want to maintain that, you have two solutions. You come to see me every day, perhaps it's expensive, or you come to see me 2, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, I don't know, 1 day, I don't know, that depends. And after, you need to do yourself your exercise to maintain that I do. But between me and the patient, to do yourself the exercise is difficult. They need about you to teach to the patient the exercise, to correct the patient's exercise. That is easier for you during this seminar, but for the other one, it's more difficult. You need to understand it's very, very difficult for a patient. He has not your knowledge in anatomy, in biomechanics, to understand all the process. For that, you need to correct him, like a guide, like a guide, to correct him for that. That is the goal of all the program.